A slabless staircase, also known as a sawtooth staircase, is an intriguing architectural design that deviates from the conventional staircases we often encounter. Let's explore its characteristics and benefits in a concise list. Aesthetic appeal. Slabless staircases offer a visually striking alternative to traditional stairs. The absence of risers and treads creates an open, flowing appearance, enhancing the overall aesthetics of the space. Space optimization. Ideal for compact or open-plan areas where space utilization matters. By eliminating the solid treads, slabless staircases maximize available floor space. Natural light and ventilation. The gaps between the steps allow light and air to pass through freely. Enhances natural illumination and ventilation within the building. Architectural wonder. Slabless staircases often captivate curiosity due to their unique design. Guests and occupants marvel at the unconventional beauty of these stairs. Design flexibility. Architects can experiment with various materials and finishes. Customization options include using glass, wood, or metal for the steps. Minimalistic and modern. Perfect for contemporary interiors. The clean lines and absence of bulk create a minimalist vibe. Wow factor. Installing a slabless staircase instantly elevates the interior design. It becomes a conversation starter and leaves a lasting impression on visitors.